Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to talk about the way that my money flows through my accounts. So here we'll see that once we get my paychecks, they automatically go into our Navy Federal account, which is our checking account. And then it kind of trickles through 4 different types of accounts. As you'll see down below, I have 4 types of accounts that serve different purposes. We have 2 savings accounts, 6 trading accounts, 3 personal accounts, and 1 business account. And also make sure you check the links down in the description below, because some of these accounts that I have set up also have special offers going on. So if you're interested in anything that you see here, make sure to use my link below so you can get free stocks or get free cash for signing up. The links are in the description below. Next, here we talk about our savings accounts. So I have 2 types, Capital and Yotta Savings. First up is the Capital accounts. I really enjoy using Capital because I'm able to make multiple syncing accounts under one app. I can also set up extra rules to help me save even more with just a few clicks of a button within the app. I can use different rules like roundup rules to make, whenever I make purchases, it rounds up to the nearest dollars and saves that change and deposit it into each sinking fund that I might set up. Also, like the other rules, like set and forget it, which means it takes out whatever amount that I've set every week, every day, every month, whatever that I set that time frame for. Or one of my favorite rules is the rules where I get kind of dinged if I go to places where I know that I shouldn't be spending money. The max limit is $50 for this category, but anytime I go like use DoorDash or I go to Victoria's Secret, I get charged automatically $50 that I set for myself to go into whatever sinking fund. And you can also split up like initial deposits or any deposits against a couple of sinking funds. So if you just want to save for each one, but you only want to make one transaction type of situation. The only downside to this app is that it doesn't grow any money for me. They're more of just like kind of holding funds. They're like cash envelopes, except they're cashless. So one of the big reasons why I do like it, but I also need to find a better way than using Capital just to grow some interest on my money while it's sitting in the account. So my next saving account is the Yotta Savings account. I really like this account because currently I'm getting a better rate of return versus this sitting in my traditional bank accounts and saving accounts. So with Yotta, it's a little bit different. It's kind of like playing the lottery. Every week you can deposit. The minimum is like $25 to get a ticket. And with each ticket, you get the chance to pick numbers. And if you match those numbers, you get either a bonus deposit or eventually over time, you still gain the 0.22 annual percentage yearly rate that they're offering right now. So eventually I am going to be moving over some more of my sinking fund money into this account just so I can grow this account a little bit quicker with the higher APY. I like both Capital and Yotta Savings because they are both FDI insured, which means my money is safe. So if you're interested in looking at any of these savings accounts and giving them a try, make sure you use the links down in the description below. Next, we're going to talk about my trading accounts. I have 4 different types. We have a short-term trading account, experimental trading account, long-term investing account, and dividend investing account. So my short-term trading account is with TradeStation, and I'm really excited about TradeStation because I also have an Option Alpha account. And with Option Alpha, they're actually introducing auto trading, which I'm really excited about investing in. This is going to be able to accelerate my day trading, help me with a lot of things that I am weak on because I am human. I do make mistakes, and I also will be a little bit more disciplined with my TradeStation and Option Alpha situation going on. but that is actually coming in the next couple of months. So I will keep everyone updated on it and see how I like it. And if you want to check it out for yourself, of course, just check the link in the description below and you can kind of see what they're about. Next on the list is our long-term investing accounts. So with this, my first one is going to be Fidelity Bank. This is where one of my 2 IRA accounts sit. This is a margin account, so I will not be day trading in this account. This account will be used for index investing where I can buy fractional shares of stocks. This way I can invest in companies on my own and not have to have a robo-advisor and get charged the fees that are associated with it. Next up, we have Tastyworks. And Tastyworks is where my second IRA account sits. This IRA account is actually a cash IRA, so I'm actually going to be doing a lot more day trading and swing trading with options in this account to build this account up. It's a little bit more risky with limited funds, but I've had the experience in the past of being able to trade, and I have a good strategy for myself where I'm going to use this to grow this account. The third account that we have is our TSP account. This is my wife's 401k account because she's a government employee. So this is strictly all index funds and we don't touch it. We don't do anything with it. We just let it grow. The last long-term account that I have is with Webull, and I trade just regular stocks with this account. This is also a cash account. So just some things that I can afford to buy that we want to hold long term. And also I'll be adding money here to build up to buy like full-fledged stocks like Tesla and Amazon in the near future. They're a little bit more pricey, but if I keep building it up, eventually I'll be able to own multiple shares of these types of stocks. And soon, not listed here, will be a 5th account. I'm getting ready to get to the point where I've been with my company long enough where I can invest in their 401k plan, and I plan on investing up to their 401k match, which I believe is 2% right now. So once I get started with that account, that'll be added to my list of accounts that I will use. Next we have here is my dividend investment account, which I will use Robinhood for. And I'm going to use Robinhood because I'm able to buy fractional shares with Robinhood. Also, another big thing with them is that I'm able to reinvest without actually going in and manually doing it. Right now with my Fidelity account, I have to go in and manually put that money when I buy fractional shares in certain stocks. Every time I put money in that account. And every time I get a dividend in an account, I have to go back and actually physically go in and make sure that money is reinvested into that stock. But with Robinhood, it's all automated, which I really, really like. So I'm going to use that account for here. Robinhood, this Robinhood account is a margin account, so I won't be doing any day trading with that. So if you want to check them out too, they also have a link in the description below. Next, we have my experimental trading account, and I have this account with TD Ameritrade. With this account, I actually use TD Ameritrade for all my stock charting. So when I'm trying to find entries and exits and things of that nature, that's the platform I use to do all the research and hard work with. Also, I will be transitioning more money over into this fund for sinking funds. So that'll be updated in the future. Next we have up is our personal accounts. And these accounts is where our fund money goes for me and my wife. And then we also have my trading investing account, which anytime we make any deposits into a trading account or any long-term investment accounts, that's where that money flows out. So we can kind of keep track of how much is going in and how much is coming out. And the last account that we have is our business account, which we actually aren't going to put any funds in just yet. We're still trying to work out the nuances of starting up a business, what we need to do. But since we have this account available and already open, we're going to leave it at that. And that's what it's going to be used for. Hey guys, thank you for watching my video. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe for more video updates. Also, check the description below for special links to anything mentioned in this video. Until the next one.